I'm back in my home county of North Yorkshire, in my hometown of Masham, to meet a very special person and a very special car.
Hi, my name's Russ Sayers and this is my 2012 Morgan Plus 4. She was actually built in November 2011 and I went down to the factory at Malvern and saw it being built. I actually signed the bodywork, but sadly we can't get to that without taking the carpets out. It's got a Ford Duratec 2-litre engine. Don't ask me the horsepower, I can't remember. But it flies. It goes fast enough for me. And on these roads up here in the Yorkshire Dales, I don't want to be going too quick. I've done a few modifications to her since I bought an aluminium radiator. It cost an arm and a leg for a Yorkshireman. It was hard to spend the money on that. I put some grease nipples there for the suspension. Those of you that know Morgans know that the sliding pillar suspension needs greasing, and it's not an easy job. So I put the nipples there, grease nipples there, which make it much easier for greasing the suspension. Originally I wanted ivory and red, but I was told by the powers that be, i.e. the wife, you're going to have red and black. So here we are, we've got a red and black Morgan. This is an extra, the roll bar. I fitted this back in 2022. It's made the car a bit more stable on the back end, holds it together better. And it's a good safety asset. We've done some miles in her. I've done 61,000 miles. We've been all over Europe, and you can see from the plaques here, if we come round this way, this is just a small selection of what we've done. We've been to Holland, Austria, enjoyed Austria. This was a really enjoyable one. Celtic Classic, the Guinness was exceptional. I love going to Ireland. We're going back there the next year. For 2018, we went to Wipers on the Battlefields tour. And there, with the Yorkshire Centre of the Morgan Sports Car Club, we laid a wreath at the Menheim Gate. And I was proud to say I went and laid it with some friends of mine. And recently, back in May, we did this called the Harriet Trail, as in James Harriet, and his daughter Rosie came and spoke with us. We raised money for the Harriet Hospice, which is a vital resource up here in the Dales for hospice and keeping people at home. So that was well worth doing, and we raised over £500 with the Morgan Club. What can I tell you about Barbara? Barbara came about, my mother loved Morgans. Both my brother and I have owned 10 Morgans. And we used to ring her up and say, do you fancy a run out in the Morgan, Mum? Yes, I'll put the kettle on and I'll make the sandwiches, she'd say. And off we go. She says, you're not putting the hood up, it doesn't matter what the weather's like, we're going and you don't put the hood up. So off we go. And she used to love our trips out in the Morgan. And when she passed away, I just thought, I ordered Barbara from the factory shortly after she'd passed away. I thought a nice tribute would be to call her, name her after my mother, Barbara. So that's where the name comes from. Many people think it's my wife, but no, it's my mother. They come up and ask my wife, are you Barbara? No, it's his mother. So Yeah, and the amount of people that come up and have the pictures taken, who I call Barbara, it's amazing.
So we're sat in Barbara in the driver and the passenger seat, and it's very comfortable actually. And now I am not completely new to this car, am I? Because what is it that happened in this car with me and you?
Ooh, don't tell me why.
Behave yourself.
Shouldn't ask questions like that.
It's perfectly honest.
We took you for a spin round a Gymkhana course. I was trying to get you off of motorbikes. Give you another option. So we took you for a spin round a Gymkhana course. Not a really aggressive one, just a bit of fun. But we had fun, didn't we?
We did, and being from a horsey background, I was like, "Oh, Gymkhana, let's go play with the ponies."
Yeah,
that wasn't the case at all.
Yeah.
So
you fell at the first fence.
So we rocked up at this. It was an event called Mouse Mog, wasn't it? And we got to this Mouse Mog place, and it was a field with all sorts of cones and ropes and hurdles all laid out in this field. And you said, "Right, I'm going to let you drive Barbara, and you can have a go at doing a car Gymkhana." I was like, "Oh, amazing!" So thank you so much for the opportunity. I had a great time, but I couldn't quite see over the very huge bonnet. Let's just turn the camera around. That's a very long bonnet to see the obstacles in front of us. But we actually did very well, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
Did we come second place?
Don't know. We didn't come bottom. Put it that way.
Yeah, no, I think we did very well. So it was my first try, and I was driving a complete unknown car with a very long bonnet. But yeah, I had a great time in this car. So this is not the first time I've sat in this car. Thank you very much. That's lovely. So I obviously knew Grandma Barbara because I've known your family all my life.
Well.
And I'll always remember her for her amazing baking, and my particular favourite was her Rice Krispie cakes.
Yes.
Oh, they were just stunning. So that is my fond memory. What is your fondest memory of your mum, and why was naming the car so important for you?
I think our trips out. I've said that she came with me for runs out. She came with me to Belgium a few times.
Amazing.
Yeah, and she had to stop at home with look after the kiddies, and off we go. And off we went to Belgium for a weekend or so, me and my mum, around the battlefields.
Oh, I love it.
And she loved it. I've got a lovely picture of her sat at Hill 60, not in the car, but enjoying a nice Belgian hot chocolate. Good.
So, what do you think your mum would say if she could see this car today named after her?
Oh, she'd be, yeah, I think she'd be in tears.
Yeah.
Yeah, she'd be happy. I'm happy.
Good.
So, yeah.
That's a lovely tribute to her.
Yeah.
She was a fantastic person. I've got very fond memories of, and we used to call her Grandma Barber.
You did?
Grandma Barber, because we couldn't say Barbara at the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember we used to go camping together. Grandma Barbara was always there.
She'd never been camping till she was 70.
No way.
We had the 4-seater Morgan with a tow bar on the back and a trailer. We used to take the tent, and Claire and Ben and my mother sat in the back. And I said to her, "Do you fancy coming camping, Mum?" She said, "Well, I've never done it." So off we went, and she was 70 years old, and she had a better night's sleep than we did.
No way.
She was snoring away.
And do you plan to keep in the family?
Oh yeah, I can't sell Barbara.
No.
No.
And will Barbara be passed down to one of your 2 children?
Hopefully, I doubt it whether they'd want it.
Oh.
They've no interest.
I'm sure Claire would. Just for those who don't know, Claire is my very best friend. We've known each other since we were 2 years old, and Russ is Claire's dad. So I think Claire would probably look after Barbara.
They've no interest in cars. Have you?
That's a shame. Maybe I can influence this.
Yeah.
So the big question is, would you take me out for a drive in Barbara?
Of course I would. As long as you wash it when we get back.
Deal. Let's go. I look like I'm about to go rob a bank.
Yeah.
It's raining, but it's typical Yorkshire weather.
I've got the invite, and I've got the invite to go.
She's got some poke, hasn't she?
Yes. Tracks are coming. No, it's not a track.
a location for somebody looking like a thug. I mean, you can't not go to a grand location in a car like this, can you?
No. 1950s. It's special. And I think I'm very lucky that I've got this car. There's a lot of people who would love them. They'll never get one. And I've driven 2 of them now out of the factory, brand new. There can't be many people that have done that.
No, that's very special. And did you say it's got a wooden chassis?
No, wooden body.
Wooden body?
Ash frame.
Wow.
Clad in aluminium, and a ladder chassis, which is metal. And it's galvanised.
Has it got an aftermarket exhaust? Because it sounds really nice.
No, it's the exhaust that was fitted at the factory. People, you can get an upgraded one to give you a bit more bulk, a bit more power. But I'm quite happy with what I've got.
Yeah.
I don't want too much speed or power out of it. On these roads, it's very easy to get into trouble.
Yeah.
There's nowhere to go.
Is it rear wheel drive?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, there's only one last thing to say, Russ. Thank you so much for today, taking me out in good old Barbara. And it's absolutely lovely to see you again.
Weather could have been better. But like
It's
yesterday,
Yorkshire.
you brought it up from Essex.
No, I think no, it's just naturally what it's like.
On the A1 all the way up, tied on the back of the bag.
Bring it in.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
You can take it back with you to Essex if you want this weather.
I think I'll leave it here.
No.